Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make towing company website using Wix. Wix is one of the best website builders around as it is beginner friendly, easy to use, and you can also get started for completely free. So you're going to go onto wix.com, and from there you can create an account using your email address or your Facebook account. Once you have created your account, you're going to tap on create new site. And from there, I want you to tap right where you see set up without chat, and you're going to be redirected to this page. And on the search bar, you're going to type in towing. So you want to type in towing right there. And you can see the different categories that you can go in. So you have towing service, towing accessory, and so on. But we're just going to type in towing company. So let's do that and select that option. Then you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you will be redirected to your dashboard. On your dashboard, I want you to enter in your business name. So for example, I'll just call it towing company. So let me type that in real quick. Then you're going to enter in your business address and you're going to tap on continue. After selecting continue, you'll select your company's working hours. So for example, let's say 5 days per week from Monday to Friday, and we'll be opening shop from 7:30 to, let's say for example, 4:30. Then we'll tap on continue. Then from here you can see some sample services. You can select any one of these services if they are related to what you offer. None of them don't look like they relate, so we're going to tap on create new service. Then after tapping on create new service, you can type in the different type of services that you offer. So for example, car towing. Then you'll tap on save, and from there you can also tap on create new service and you can add more services right there. Once you're finished doing that, all you need to do now, so let's say we were to add that, you'll tap on continue. Then after tapping on continue, you can add in your staff member's name and email address. Then you'll tap on continue once more. And if you are planning to accept payments online, you can select accept payments online, and more than likely you're accepting payments in person. Then you'll tap on continue and select continue to dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you'll now be able to further edit the services that you have added. To do this, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option, hover over, let me close this pop-up, and you're going to hover over catalog. Then you can select booking services, and you can see the services that we have added. Then you'll tap on edit, and from here you could edit the service name. Tap on the plus right here for picture, and you could upload a pic by tapping on upload media. Or you can tap on media from Wix, and for example we could type in towing, and then we can use their copyright free images, so you can see them right there, and we'll be using this one for example. Then you'll tap on add to page, and you can scroll down, select the duration, and you can also select the fee that you'll charge. So you can see fixed price, you can have a fixed price, or you can have varied price or custom price. Then you'll scroll down and you can assign this to different staff members at the bottom right there. Then you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. And you would do this for all of the services that you're planning to offer. Now, if you're planning to collect payment online, what you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner and select getting paid. After selecting getting paid, you're going to tap on connect payment method. And depending on the country you're located in, you'll see different payment options. But keep in mind, if you're going to connect any other payment method except PayPal, you will need to go onto the Wix paid plan, which is quite affordable when you check it out. But you can connect PayPal for free. But if you're going to connect other payment options, which I recommend as you want your customers to have numerous options, you'll need to go onto the Wix paid plan. Once you have connected those options, you're going to tap on set up in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. And you're going to tap on pick a template. After selecting pick a template, you'll be redirected to the themes page. And this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Wix. as they offer you numerous templates that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, the template that we would be choosing would be this one. So we'll tap on edit. Once on the editor page, you can close the pop-up, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, then we can start editing our page. So for example, we can tap on the header section, and I could change the text right there. I could tap on edit text, and for example, I'm just going to type in towing. Then you can remove this if you want, so we can tap right there, and I'll simply right click and select delete. And you can also change the vector art if you want. Now to edit this section, you'll tap on it also. After you have done that, you can tap on change background. Then from there, you could go over to the left hand menu option, and you could select an image that you would like to add to the background. So you can either change it by doing that, or you can tap on the pencil icon from the right hand menu option right there. And then from there, you'll see the option to edit the text, as you can see right there. So we'll change the text from car and auto repair services to towing services. So let's do that. So I'll type in towing services right here, and you can see how it looks. Then I'm going to change the background, so I'll select the background that is currently there, tap on change background, then select image. Then after selecting image, from here we're going to type in towing once more and tap on enter. And then for example, I'll be using this image, so I'll select this image and tap on change background. And you can see that the background has changed right there. Now after doing that, you can continue scrolling down and you can continue editing each page. And talking about pages, to view all the pages on your website, you will tap on home in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see the different pages. So for example, if we were to go onto the services page, you can see it right there, and you can edit the services page by simply hovering over it and tapping on quick edit. From the right hand menu option, you can edit each section, as you can see right there. So it is quite easy and straightforward to edit. And if it is a case that you would like to add something to your website that you don't see, you can tap on the plus in the top left hand corner, which is add elements. And from there you can see the different elements that you can quickly add to your website. And that's basically it. Once you're finished, all you'll need to do now, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner to preview how it looks. And once it is to your liking, you'll tap on publish and your website will now be live. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.